Hello everyone, welcome to Nutramanagement. Today we will discuss about alkaline diet and kidney health. The most important topic because we know that our blood pH is 7.4 and that can be deviate from 7.35 to 7.45. So only 0.05 may be changed. But renal pH, urine pH may be changed drastically. And that pH alteration in the urine can be performed by our diet. And in the previous discussion, we also mentioned that acid-ash diet is one type of diet. That also interferes some stone formation. But alkaline diet is the most important, which also increase the urinary pH, and thereby it can able to prevent most of the renal stone, that is the uric acid renal stone, cystic renal stone. And this alkaline diet is very much important for kidney health because kidney is the most important buffering system of our body. Now, what is alkaline diet? Alkaline diet that is mainly containing fruits, vegetables, legumes, nuts, which can able to supply bicarbonate mainly and reduce acid producing hydrogen ion. That is the hydrogen ion, which is the most important acid generating substance. So such food items, if we include our meal, then we can able to reduce the hydrogen ion production, and by increasing bicarbonate, we can able to change the urine pH in alkaline, that is about 6.5 to 7, and this alkaline pH of the urine can able to prevent the renal stone formation. Now, acid-base balance is the most important part in our body to maintain the blood pH. And the two most important buffer in our body known is pulmonary buffer or lung buffer. By elimination of CO2, which is the acidic in nature, can able to maintain the blood pH. And another one, the renal buffers, which can maintain the blood pH by eliminating some acidic substance as well as some alkaline substance through urine. Now, dietary acid load is also increasing by animal protein and the processed food consumption. Some lecture we have also mentioned that processed food also increase the probability of the renal stone formation. Animal proteins are also responsible to increase the renal stone formation. But if we consume this processed food and the animal protein as a component of our diet, we must consume some alkaline component of the diet. And by such alkaline component of the diet, you can able to minimize the acidity of that urine, and you deviate that acidic pH of the urine to alkaline pH, by which we can able to prevent that renal stone formation. So, role of citrate, the most important part of the alkaline urine formation. Citrate foods, though we know citrate is acid, citric acid is acid. Yes, citric acid is acid. Itself, it is acid. But after consumption of citrate, it would be metabolized. And during this metabolism of the citrate through TCA cycle, it can able to produce CO2, H2, and energy. We also know that by metabolic process, citrate, which is the first product of the TCA cycle, that undergoes cellular metabolism, produce CO2, H2, and energy. And that CO2 reacts with H2 and form H2CO3, which is clipped into H plus and H2O3 minus. And that bicarbonate is the chief source of this alkaline. and the hydrogen ion can able to capture by NAD and form NADH2. And so the free hydrogen ion is not present due to the citrate metabolism. Only the bicarbonate is present, and thereby alkaline urine is also formed. So citrate is the most important component in our alkaline diet. And to maintain that alkaline urine in every morning, if we use the fruit juice of the lemon, 1 lemon in 1 liter of water, and we consume this water throughout the day, then the urine become alkaline, which is about 6.5, and that can able to reduce that uric acid renal stone, cystine renal stone, and the kidney health can be maintained. Similarly, if the citrate or lemon is not present, then 0.6 gram, that is a 600 mg, or a half teaspoon of that is the eating soda, and in 250 ml of water, if we consume it, then we also maintain the alkaline urine. Now, this alkaline urine, which can able to prevent the acid load in the kidney system, and by combating that acidic pH, certain type of kidney stone can be prevented. So what is the benefits of kidney health? By reduced metabolic acid burden and by supplying bicarbonate, we can able to support the kidney functions, kidney efficacy, kidney efficiency, and the renal function can be maintained at optimum level. Now, what is the practical food choice? We also include citrus fruits. We also engage vegetables, beans, and adequate hydration, because adequate hydration is also most important preventive factor for crystallization, which is the first step of the renal stone formation. Now, as a conclusion, we may say that balanced alkaline promoting diet may support kidney health, and daily intake of the alkaline drinking water, after consultation with physician and dietitian, we can able to maintain the kidney health, which is the most important visceral organ in our body. Thank you.